My name is Pankaj Kumar Pandey. I have been teaching PRT TGT English from Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College, Sharga Sandarpur, Pratapgarh. I am conducting a program of debate. Here is two team. The captain is what is your name? Amrita Mudanwal. And you? Aryan Dwivedi. Here the point of advantage and disadvantage of mobile phones. What you choose? Advantage or disadvantage? Disadvantage. And he choose advantage. What are you saying? First of all, advantage. Advantage. You say one sentence about advantage of the mobile phones.
All the information related to school or classes. Teachers sent on WhatsApp from mobile phones. Therefore, students see it.
But if teachers are sending these videos related to study on mobile phones, then why are school open? Then there should be online classes. Why are school open all over the world?
There are some remains work which are not completed in school. So teachers send on WhatsApp from mobile phones. So students see it and uses the complement.
But if you say that there are some work which can be done only in school, so why are the time of school is so for about 6 to 7 hours? If there is only little work for 2 or 3 hours, then why is school open only for 6 to 7 hours? Then all those work should be done on the mobile phone. But it's our teachers' duty to teach the students in the school, not only mobile phone.
Mobile phone have broad uses, not only screen.
But the brother said that teachers send videos related to studying for.
We can use it for online transactions.
But while we are using online transaction, let's example, if when a person goes to a shop, he said that I will do UPI, but he call his friend for asking for UPI. So why did he not bring money with him in his pocket?
If he is buying an article which is too expensive and cash cannot be carried too much, so he can use UPI transaction.
It's not about matter that whether he is using a UPI transaction or not. But if a person has don't know too much about UPI, as I said to you that he calls his friend for UPI transaction. But if he did not know, then why did he call his friend? He should carry cash with him.
Details.
For some time, if his friend did not receive his call, so what will he do? He also don't know how to pay them and.
If he don't know how to pay with UPI, then he have to carry cash.
But you said that it is very mobile phone is used for UPI transaction.
Because if we do large amounts of transaction, then he carry large amount of cash, then he has a fear of lost and theft.
So it's his responsibility. So he should take care of his money.
So we install
Don't you carry money when you go to market?
No, I do not. I use games and other
This video is starting from mobile phones instead of camera wide TV. Very good.
Can you repeat it?
This debate is streaming live instead of camera wide TV.
Because he also wants to show all debates to all peoples, all the students and all the teachers in every school. So he is using this.
No, because this camera is more expensive than mobile phones and all the features like physical instruments are present in mobile phones under 10,000 or
Lower.
lower than.
But if all the work is done with mobile phones, then our social connection to meet people's face-to-face connection will
There are
be.
many features available in mobile phones like cameras for capturing photos, videography. We can do videography or calendars.
We go to places for capturing photos or design the nature. It's of nature to design the nature because in camera only we capture the picture, but in reality we realize it how is our nature and we feel it.
We can update nationally or internationally with social media like some digital apps or digital newspapers.
But sometimes it is also fake. As you can take last night, famous actor Dharmendra, he was confirmed with a fake news that he is dead, but he is alive now.
But that news was spread on TV.
No, that was also spread on phone.
But firstly spread on Aasta and ABC News.
But you said, is mobile phone different from TV?
Yeah.
Why? How?
Mobile phone have
Just because TV don't have UPI television or we can't message or share photos with others. That's why you want to say. But if that material is we can find on the TV that if you are sending any video, we can also find that on TV.
If you have to know multiple news, multiple information related to world or country, so what we do?
Because there is a newspaper, we can see from newspaper also.
newspaper also can be fake.
No, it
No.
can't fake.
No, can't fake, never. It's
Yeah.
never happened.
There are many articles which
But also in smartphone, news can be also fake, but in newspaper it does not.
It's
There
never
will be
fake.
any
It will never fake. Okay, just tell me during COVID time, students were using phone for the study, but instead of studying, they were just playing games or just misusing the phone. So this is the disadvantage of mobile phone.
As you said, playing games is the disadvantage of mobile phone.
Yes,
No.
yes,
Playing games is not a disadvantage of good others.
yes.
Playing games.
It can distract our eyes also.
No.
With playing games, with screen light also we can
Playing
see
of
screen
games
light.
does
improve our
improve
reflex.
our reflex action
But
and
only
our
the
concentration
matches
of
like chess and Sudoku we can play. But now time students don't play this. They play PUBG.
PUBG is a game where we concentrate on it.
What you concentrate on that? I think you also play PUBG. What you concentrate on that?
If PUBG, well, if I
Have you heard about Raj Samni? He is a podcaster, big podcaster of India. He tells the game is also
But sometimes you can't fail. Sometimes students suicide because they think that I will fail, and you say that PUBG, Free Fire, or sometimes in rummy games, they lost their money, and sometimes they also
at the
suicide
time
because
of
of fear.
emergency accident we can call ambulance, not newspaper.
At the time that emergency case happens because of the mobile phone. If a person is driving a car, then why is using mobile phone? If a person is walking on the road, then why is he using mobile phone? He should concentrate on his road, on his path.
millions of Indians played on mobile phones through many platforms like Angel One, Epic Talks, and many more. So, what do you do?
Tell me one thing, I am asking a question. If we are using if we are
Millions
studying,
of Indians.
listen. If we are studying like from any application, then suddenly a notification came. Then our mind distract towards on it. Then we go on another link.
Not
another-
100% student. Not
Why?
100% student.
There are many students among
About 70% of students do this.
because social platform. There are many social platforms we distract our mind, and from there we talk to another whole midnight. We can't sleep. Our sleeping condition distract also.
There are
Our-
also options to off notification.
Millions of Indians trade on mobile phones through many platforms. So, Tell me why.
Can you repeat it again?
Millions of Indians trade on mobile phones through many platforms. Tell me why.
But in the manufacturing,
And also predict the market. BSc and MSc.
if a person wants to create his productivity or increase his productivity, then he wants to see the material, how is the material, then he go for the material, looking for the material. But if he can do that thing like dealing, then he can also do this meeting the same
And
thing.
also
They
we
can
predict
do also by
the market.
face-to-face, na? Why
Indian
mobile
market.
phones are there? They can also like dealings has been. They can do by face to face. Why they are calling like video call?
It's
and
not
video
possible in
conference?
real life.
Why?
Possible.
Today it's not possible.
Possible.
There are multiple work we have. There are multiple work we have.
Then they should take out their time na, that for that work. If he is
For-
doing that work,
The partner is about 500 kilometers.
So we
Then
can
why-
contact.
He can go.
If he
The
has
expenditure is more.
Okay,
The
that's fine.
expenditure is
If
more.
he wants to take, then he should. It's his responsibility to see how is the material. If he deal with that person and did not see how is the
That's right.
material, that material can be seen only by face to face, not by mobile phone. If he shows the fake items, then what?
Let's assume we have to see the market value of America. So what we do?
What did you say?
And if we have to see the market value of America, so what we have to do?
That's depend on president. It's not our responsibility.
then president should support na. They will send their facilities.
Let's we are middle family. Expenditure is
Can
high.
you see?
You can go there.
If you, then we can ask. Okay, just tell me, during COVID time, students were using mobile phones for their study, but they did not study. I think they did not study. They used to see movies.
In COVID time, many education platforms became unique for.
No,